Communication and thinking problems on logarithms. In this set of videos, I have 10 extremely good questions which I have seen so many times in the test papers. I would like you to copy each question, do them yourself, and then look into my solution. It's kind of a very good end to this set of 100 videos on logarithms. Question number 1. Solve log x whole square minus 3 log x minus 2 equals to 0, right? Now, I found some students getting confused with this whole square thing, right? Now, treat like this. Think like this. You can do a substitution here. You say let log x equals to, let's say, y. In that case, what happens to your equation? Your equation becomes simply a quadratic equation. Y squared minus 3y minus 2 equals to 0. Correct? Now you can solve for y using quadratic formula. Correct? I hope you remember the formula. The formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, right? So we'll use the same quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. Now here, b is minus 3, a is 1, and c is minus 2. And therefore we can write this as y is equals to minus of minus 3 is 3, plus or minus square root, square is 9, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 2. Let me write first 1 and minus 2, square root divided by 2 times a, which is 2, right? Now that gives us 3 plus or minus square root of 9, and minus makes it plus, 9 plus 8 over 2, right? Now we can always use calculator to find this answer, right? And then check for extraneous roots. Now whenever you do square root or things like that, there is a possibility of getting answers which are not valid for your question, right? So let's look into this. So y equals to 3 plus and minus square root of 17 over 2, right? So that is two possible solutions. One is 3 plus square root of 17 over 2, and the other one is 3 minus square root of 17 over 2, right? So let's calculate this. So first let's see what is square root of 17 equals to. So square root of 17 is equals to 4.12, right? So if I write 4.12 here, this becomes negative, right? So we will see if that works or not, but I'm sure it will not work because log x is equals to y, and this log x, we'll see how it works, okay? So we have, so square root 17 is 4.123, so I'll round that to 4.1, okay? So let's calculate. 3 plus 4.1 equals to, divided by 2, equals to 3.55. So this gives me 3.55, and let me do 3 minus 4.1 equals to, divided by 2, equals to minus 0.55, correct? So these are two possible values for y. So we can now write log x equals to 3.55 and find the value of x, right? So x will be equals to 10 to the power of 3.55. So that is one solution. Now the other solution will be minus 0.55. So we can write that as log of x equals to minus 0.55. Okay? That gives us x is equals to 10 to the power of minus 0.55. Correct? Now x, this is a positive number, right? And therefore this is a possible solution also, right? So both are the relevant solutions for us. Okay? So we get two solutions for this particular equation, and one is x is equals to, so we can write down our answer, x is equals to 10 to the power of 3.55, so approximate, right? Or 10 to the power of minus 0.55. So that is the solution for the given equation. Okay, thank you.